This is Layla's 8 puppies. They're having a nice nap. It's Rosie. Hello Rosie, sleeping. Rosie belongs to Wendy and she's now today just over 1.5 pounds an ounce. Bag of sugar. And some of the other puppies. There's Layla, looking very, very tired after her feed. Oh, there's one trying to get comfortable. Rosie's still sleeping, out of a lot of them. Although she may get woken up by her brother. Oh. Hello Rosie. Rosie having a wriggle. Wriggly Rosie. Oh. Oh no, she's now going to go and... No, she's not. Where's she going? She's getting a wriggle on now. Straight over her brothers and sisters. Look at that. Let me have one. Let me have one. Mummy. Oh. What's happened there? Has it all got too much for her? Nope. Is she going for a feed? More than likely. She's always hungry, this one. Ah, look. Oh. They're actually moving a lot quicker now. They're a week old today. This time last week, they were all born and all settled. And a week on, and they're now almost double their weight, so all doing good. Oh, she's going in for a feed. Here we go.
Hello, how are you?
Here she goes.
Good to hear it.
Oh, little wiggly bottom there. She's trying to steal one of her brother's teats.
You are? Are you not? Oh, I don't bet. Oh, well, I don't bet that much. But I prefer water.
So that's all of Layla's pups, all healthy,
Yeah, I know.
all got full tummies and all having a rest.
Yeah. Yeah.
That big fat tummy down there. And Rosie obviously decided she wasn't having a teat, she was going to have a rest on top of her brother's head. Yes. Yes. Rosie. Hello. Say hello to Rosie. Yeah. Rosie, Mummy wants to say hello. Oh. Where's Rosie? Rosie, get a wiggle on. Hello. Look, Mummy wants to say hello. It's your beautiful girl, Wendy. Say hello. Ah, gorgeous. Beautiful. You go wee.
Oh, you get a lot of them.
dreams now. What are you doing, Rose? Not sure. Not sure. Trying to get comfy. Going in for the kill again. Oh, look. That's it. Kick your brother out. That's about right, isn't it? Where are you going? You're going to try and climb the mountain? No. No. You're just going to collapse on your brother. What's this one trying to do? What's the matter, Rosie? Oh, what's your matter? Rosie! Rosie! Layla says, what's up? I think Rosie might be hungry again. Here, Rosie. Want a booby? Oh, look. I think she's a little bit hungry, Mum.
Very true. Is he still? Oh, someone just killed him.
Okay, signing off. Today is the 30th of March 2012. And Layla, your puppies are a week old. Yay! And they're all getting so big. Hello. Say goodbye, Layla. Lulus. Goodbye.